Good morning, y'all. We're about to make this man some breakfast because he's off today and he wants French toast. Don't ask me why, but he wants French toast, okay? So we're gonna make him some French toast, bacon, and eggs. So let's go.
Well, no, I was gonna make that goulash. Or like,
Yeah. Come on, give me that one piece of bacon. Very cinnamon. And I'm just making my eggs. Don't judge, I like a lot of pepper.